Hi, I'm Ron Kubara with the Lotus Club. We've got an interesting story we'd like to tell you. This is Ken. Ken lives here in the Lower Mainland, and last year he was looking to buy a sports car. So Ken, tell us your story about the Lotus.
Well, I actually came around here. I wanted to look at different sports cars, so I was looking at the Jaguar and all the other things. And then I wandered into the Lotus compound, and I met a lot of the Lotus people, and I found out that Lotus people are pretty cool. And then as I did more research, I bought an Emira. And that was the only way that I bought the Emira, was I had to buy an Evora to make sure that I was doing the right thing. And once I got the Emira, I realized, beautiful car. And that got me to the Emira. And now I can't stop driving. So it's a good group to be with.
Apparently, I'm not up to speed. You have an Evora.
I have an Evora, 2014.
And an Emira.
Yes, sir.
And you've taken delivery in an Emira?
Yes, sir.
Holy crow! I didn't know that. So you got an Evora. It's a GT, I believe.
No, it's an S.
An S. Okay.
Yeah, 2014.
And we don't have it here on the
No,
show.
sir, I
but
don't.
this is an Evora here, so it's very similar.
Similar, different front end.
And then you took delivery. How the heck did you get an Evora so quickly? I mean, there's guys waiting 3 years for these.
I don't know how it happened.
You
I traded in my other sports car. I traded in my Nissan.
I see. Okay, I
So-
remember talking about that. So the Evora is the red car at the back. That's the newest sports car. The last internal combustion engine out of Lotus, apparently what they say. So we got two Evoras here, back to back here, and we got an Emira at the back. So you're going to be the only one in the club that owns Evora. Well, you are the only one in the club that owns an Evora and an Emira.
Yes, sir. Well, yeah, it's all your fault.
That's
Because the people are so cool in the club, and that's one of the things. The product is awesome. So and it's also there's a kindness the people of the club have that I like hanging out with you guys.
I'd like to hear Ken. Thanks very much. So here we got an Evora and an Emira owner. I have a feeling he might be the only in the world right now with that status. Thanks a lot for talking to us, Ken.
Thank you.
I'll be there. Okay.
Now that's
With the proof.
Is this one yours?
No. Yeah. What's it done? Just out here doing a live stream for the Lotus Car Club. And for a bunch of
Then they switch from the turbo.
What do you think about that, John? What do you think about that, Steve?
That is quite something. That's
The Suzu, yeah, and the turbo are lovely, yeah. And yeah, the specs. 0 to 60 in 6.6 seconds. Yeah. Are you hearing me okay, Joe?
I mean,
By all means.
it really is a classic.
Give it to me. The signal here is remarkable. They have to eat it though. Oh yeah. This morning was really good.